Hello everyone, welcome to another session. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram. Today we're going to make a vector fan art of Kuribo, the brown mushroom in Super Mario video game. First things first, let's make a sketch. Next part is optional, changing your sketch color. Then adjust the sliders to your likings. Make a vector layer below your sketch and make sure your sketch is in multiply mode. Choose Ellipse tool and click Convert to Curves for us to adjust our vector shape using the Node tool. Once we're happy with it, we can now add color to our vector curve. Working with the eyes is the same process, but instead of converting it to curves, we duplicate our shape and make use of gradients. On this step, we use Transparency tool instead of the Gradient tool. Select the shape, make a single fill, click the Transparency tool and just simply drag your mouse. Let's just use the pen tool to make the eyebrows. To make our life easier, select the eye layer and just duplicate the layer. Same with the eyebrow, duplicate, flip, and drag. Now let's make the fangs using the Polygon Tool. We change the number of the sides to 3 to make a triangle and change the curve to 30%. If the shape is too pointy, we simply put a check mark on the smooth points box. Let's make use of the pen tool to make the mouth. Since the shape is above the fangs, we move it behind these shapes by clicking on the Move to Back buttons. Using the gradients to color our character, we change the gradient type to Eclipse. This will make our gradient circular, and as we determine our light source, we adjust where the lighter part of our gradient is. Adding some accents and highlights. Duplicate the main shape, reshape it inside the main curve. Fill it with white, then use transparency tool and make adjustments. Now we add gradients to every curve for us to determine our tones and values. We're going to do the same process of making highlights with the fangs. Adding a bounce light on the darker gradient shade is optional, but to do this, we make a stroke using the pen tool. Adjust the pressure curves. Expand the stroke to make a curve. Blur it using the Gaussian blur option on the Effects tab. Make opacity adjustments and change the layer mode to screen. And make sure to clip it on the main shape. Since we tackled the Effects tab, let's add a highlight using the Inner Shadow option. Change the blend mode to screen, adjust the hue and opacity to your likings. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're new and hit the like button if it helped you in any way. If you have some questions, comment them down below and I will be glad to answer them in any way I can. Keep on learning, keep on creating, and be safe.